A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. Which one bigger than which? The one where I give the blessing or the one where I get the blessing? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, go and go do it now, and the notification bell too, to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today we're going to read from the letter to the Hebrew them chapter 7 from verse 1 to verse 10. That Melchizedek here, where we are talking about, him did a king for Salem and did a the priest for the Most High God too. Him did meet up Abraham and bless him when Abraham did just a come back him yard after he got beat off the kingdom. Abraham take 1 out of every 10 sitting when did get in at the war and a carry go back him yard and give him. Now, the name Melchizedek really mean king we do a right. But then king for Salem carry one different meaning. That mean king we make peace. Melchizedek na no mother, him na no father, him na no family tree for sure a when come from. Him name born and him name dead. Like God boy Pitney, him turn one priest forever. Just think about how big him be when all one man like a Abraham, we are the father for the whole Israel, give him 1 out of every 10 sitting when they take away. No, the last say, all a Levi Pitney them go down. We turn priest for take 1 out of every 10 sitting from God people them. That means say, for them own people, I give them 1 out of every 10. Even though them people there, Abraham Pitney them go down too. The man ya do, Melchizedek. Nobody couldn't show saying come from Levi family. But him get 1 out of every 10 from Abraham. And him did all bless Abraham too. When Abraham, God did make promise too. And everybody don't know already. Say somebody we are blessed somebody else. Bigger than the one we are get blessed. No. The priests them will come from Levi. We get 1 out of every 10. The whole of them dead. But Melchizedek, we get 1 out of every 10. God would teach. Say, him not dead. And we could have said Levi himself. We get 1 out of every 10 sitting. The pay Melchizedek 1 out of every 10 too. The time when Abraham did give him 1 out of him 10. Cause when Melchizedek did meet Abraham, Levi name born yet. And a Abraham family, Levi would have come from. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.